Hello, hello, my lovely naturalistas. I am super excited to share some of the new products that were just released at the spring event, and I ordered them and got them all in. So the one that I wanted to share today is the new mascaras. Two different new formulations of mascara to go with our Savvy Minerals line. So this is Savvy Minerals mascara. There's a volumizing and a lengthening. I love how the volumizing box is fat and the lengthening box is long, so I won't get them mixed up. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these. I have not opened them or tried them yet. I'm gonna go ahead and try these and see the difference between them and kind of between the old formula of the mascara. I've heard some really, really good things about them. So this is the volumizing mascara, and like all Savvy Minerals, it has only good stuff in it: beeswax, etc., lavender oil, cedarwood oil, rosemary oils, all the ones that are good for lash health and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try and see what we think. Let's see, the volumizing mascara. I like the new tube. It's got some texture on it. This is fun. So let's see here. Oh, there's the new brush. And I'll go ahead and do both lashes here. That is a brush that really does not clump. That is nice. And I'm probably making funny faces here. So there's one coat of the volumizing mascara there on my right. And now we'll try the lengthening, the long skinny bottle. Ooh, this one has a different color cap. I really won't get these mixed up. Oh, it's a whole different color. So the lengthening is in a silver tube here. And that has a skinnier brush with shorter bristles. And you can use these together as well. I obviously have not, since this is my first time trying them. I have always liked the Savvy Minerals mascara. There's no irritation or anything like that, so anything from that line is amazing, and these brushes certainly are nice. And of course, with any of the Savvy Minerals products, you can layer them on too. So there you go, volumizing and lengthening, one coat each. There's the silver lengthening and the black volumizing. I will probably start using them together. Join us next time when we look at the rest of the new products and spell more wellness, purpose, and abundance.